Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Happy 2020, Happy New Year to you all. And this morning I spent 2 hours cleaning off the corner of my iMac desktop. I threw up recycling. I just shot a video of Fuzzy in the little cat bed. She loves the cat bed. She is sitting up as I'm looking at her. Fuzzy. And just looking around. So she's looking a little moody this morning. I don't know why. Probably because she wants to lie down. Cleared off part of the bed and then I moved everything. I got to take all the books off the bed and get them off the bed and wash the blankets, go feed kitties. Mama Kit and Kitten came up for food. Bright sunny day in Martinez today. So this morning my breakfast is not a nutritious breakfast, but I don't care. I'm gonna eat this. This is Benny's Bagel Dog Beef Frank, and I don't have the time and the energy to cook it for nutritious or instant oatmeal, so I'm gonna eat this. So here we go. You can see me watch me eat a hot dog. Very chewy. You bite through about that much before you ever get to the dog. I got a piece of it. I didn't even taste it. I tasted the bagel. Too much poppy seeds in my chewing. I like poppy seeds on a bagel, but not this one. You get a lot of breading. And Trevor chewed the bread. Now we get to the hot dog. Not overly spicy. Not bad. Now, you inject the mustard in there when you cook it in the microwave. You can cook these in the oven too. There used to be a competing bagel dog, but they went out of business. So, but I was on here. We sat last night and I put one of these in the microwave before I went to bed, and I made the mistake of biting into it right away. I got a George Nori moment. I went, ooh, that's hot. Don't do that. You got to wait about a minute for this thing to cool off. It's too hot to bite into. All right. Very good. Oh, Benny's Bagel Dog. Thumbs up. All right. Little girl slept in her bed during the night too. She was scared of it. Two fireworks went off. That scared her. She jumped out of bed and ran into the bed. But she, when I finally went to sleep, she was lying in it. And when I woke up this morning, she was sleeping in it. So she likes it. It's just the right size for her. And the other one is the right size for Fuzzy. And once I clear the bed off, I'm going to move the beds over to the side. That way they can be next to each other. And they can still cuddle with me if they want to. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. I hope you're warm and dry. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve and you're having a good New Year's Day. Bye-bye for now.